In this house, we believe, says a yard sign tucked beneath the cherry tree. And the white picket fence in a cul-de-sac where children play with friends. All the nice white liberals taking walks on the nice white liberal street. Harry smiles and says to Jane, he says, I don't see color, everyone's the same. While Jose is mowing his grass, he commuted for an hour to earn his scraps. All the nice white liberals taking walks on the nice white liberal street. They say intentions paved the road to hell, but I can say we all mean well. 'Cause I'm a nice white liberal myself. In the hazy morning, she left without a warning into the great untold beyond. And though I was abandoned, she left empty-handed, just a rambler with a song. And like a comet, she's here and gone. It's a blaze of light and then the empty sky. At least I tried, at least I tried. Didn't I ever leave a mark? Didn't I ever see a spark? Didn't I ever peel the darkness off? Or maybe I'm just the lonely one. Maybe I'm just a loaded gun. Maybe I'm just a slur of mumbled words to another drunk spoken verse. She would push her sorrows to the next tomorrow.